Here we go, friends. It's circle time. So we're going to stand up. Put our right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes up and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. And Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we'll reach our dream. All right, we're in a brand new month. Alrighty, it is a new month. It is June, and it is the first day of June.
It's summer.
It is the summer, the official start of summer. It's June 20th, I think, or 21st.
Yay.
So it is coming up. We have 3 different things to have this month. We have a sun, a sandcastle, and ice cream. That's what we're going to use for our pattern. But before we start that, let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Come on. There it goes.
It's frozen.
Yep. Days of the Week.
Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. There's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Days of the Week.
Days of the Week. Days of the Week.
Days of the Week. Days of the Week.
Your turn. Let me hear you. Here we go, everyone. A. Excellent. Let's go ahead. And we're counting to 20. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. All right, counting backwards from 10. Let me hear you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Excellent. All right, let's take a look at some shapes. What shape is this, everybody? Octagon. What is it? Octagon. What shape is brown? Square. What shape is pink? Heart. Awesome. All right, what number is this?
8.
8. Good job. What number is this, friends?
20.
12. What is it?
12.
12. What number?
11.
11. What number?
14.
14. How about this one down here?
9.
9. Excellent. Hands and lap, please. Our nursery rhyme this week is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play.
All right, we are looking at our coins. What coin is this? A nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
What is this? A dime. And how much is that dime worth?
1 cent.
Not 1 cent. 10 cents. Good job. What is this? A penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. And what is this?
Quarter.
Quarter. And how much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. Good job. We have learned all of these letters. We're coming to the end of our alphabet. We've learned almost all of our letters. And we are working on the letter W.
W.
Good job. W says w.
That's easy.
Wonder Woman and watermelon. Water. This is the letter. This is the letter W. What letter is this? W. What? Let's go ahead and sing our song.
W is after X.
Where do you
I
start
don't
your
have
letters
an
at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then let's get that. Remember to start at the top.
You just got the letter A.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Reach up.
Way up is at the top. Yes, it is top. Reach up is at the top.
Reach down. Us all together.
Way down is at the bottom.
The last
Bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters? At the top.
Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter any better and better, remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, 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 or the bottom? Is this the top, 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 or the middle? Is this the top, top, top? It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. So going back, I skipped Miss Mazingo because I forgot we are going to be working on 2 letters this week. We are going to be working on W, and we're going to be working on X. X says like X-ray. X-Men, and
Xylophone.
Good job. All right, so we are going to build the letter W first.
W.
I like how your pieces are all at the top. You are ready to go. Your pieces are all at the top. Your pieces are all at the top. Thank you. I'll get it. All right. Our pieces are all at the top and we are ready to go. I like that. Good job. All right, so with a W, we have 4 big lines. But do we use big lines?
No.
Is this what it's going to look like?
No.
We have to use what?
Slide.
A big slide. So we're going to go ahead and put our first big slide down. Yep, don't cover up his face. Big slide down. Big slide up.
Take care of ourselves, not our neighbor. Yep, they're going to rest on top of each other at the bottom.
Big slide down.
Are we building now, Mrs. Hill? Yeah?
Yeah.
Go ahead, grab your pieces. Building now together. Mm-hmm.
And big slide up. All right.
Each other at the bottom.
Good job.
Put it at the top.
Put it right on top at the bottom. Yep. Good job. And the next one you're going to put on the top, at the top, and slide down. Nope.
Cool.
At the top, slide down.
For me, bud.
All right. So looking up here, your eyes are up here on the board. Your listening ears are on.
Very nice.
My turn. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big slide down. Big slide up. I made the letter W. All right. Your W's are all made on your board. Let's say it together. Are we ready? Big slide down. Big slide up. Big slide down. Big slide up. What letter did you make? W. All right, if I take one away and I do this, is this a W?
No.
No. If I take 2 away, is this a W?
No.
What letter is that?
V.
So with a W, we're going to start with a V. And then look, we're going to make another V right on top. Look at that.
W.
All right, your fingers are up to the top. And we say it all together again. Ready? Big slide down. Big slide up. Big slide down. Big slide up. What letter did you make? W. All right. And then moving on to the next one.
Yay.
Flip your boards over.
Flip your boards over. Put your pieces at the top. Put your pieces at the top and flip your board over. All right. Listening ears. Listening ears. Your pieces are at the top. Your pieces are at the top. How many pieces are we going to use? 2 pieces. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to leave 2 of our pieces right at the top of our board. All right. So for making the letter X, we start under Mr. Matt's smiling face again. And we go big slide down. Nope, not yet. Big slide down. Then we're going to take the other big slide and we're going to frog jump over and big slide down again. All right, let's go ahead and build them on our mats. We take one line and we put big slide down. And then we frog jump over. and we go big slide down again.